Say hello to Uncle Sean.
Hello, Uncle Sean.
Eating. Turn around, let me see. Did you just get off the tree?
You want some?
Hazy, you alright? Let me see this.
My dad grew up
No way, here? Hey, Hazel, look.
You get off many? He wants to eat. But you have to wait till you get that time to drink.
Can't just film people.
For me to just take a picture.
In the bush there. Check out these giant bamboos. Hello there.
Proper rain.
Yeah, it's light rain.
Well done.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just following the car in front. I can't see anything. I literally cannot see the road. Well, I can't see any potholes or anything.
Wow. Take your hands from your mouth.
Look in here. We're in a tropical paradise. Look, come up here. You can.
Oh yeah, you didn't bring yours, did you?
No. Theodore, come off, because it's someone's grave.
What does that one say?
There's some guys over there, by the way, as well. Wait there. Go in there, go over there, put them down, put them down, put them down. So Mish, this is your family land.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the house that your mum grew up in. This would be it. So they got a porch and a room. But there's a little patio. Just watch out because there might be some spiders and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So Theo, come back over here, darling. Theo!
Briefly.
Brownie. Actually, if he's that nasty one, that was getting too friendly with my leg.
There's another one.
Where?
Dog, there's a white one.
A white one, dark. Yeah, I mean, it don't look bad around here, does it?
You're a cutie. You're a cutie. Oh.
This nail, kids' nail.
Let me see you dancing. You take some photos. Might have to do another night here.
No, very dancing. That was a good song.
Seems to be older. Look, let's have a look.
Oh, I'd love to bring back a Dutch cart. Too heavy.
Send it back. I've got a Dutch pot in the house.
No, like a proper one from Jamaica.
You mean Jamaica?
Yes.
They just made out of steel.
Yes, but I want one.
I've got an iron Dutch pot. That's what it is. It's called a Dutch oven.
Yeah,
Dutch
no, I
pot.
don't. But I
You
want
mean
a
a Dutch?
Jamaican.
You mean a
Yes.
Jamaican Dutch?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
the same bloody thing. You would go on the white man.
No, I want a proper one from Jamaica.
We've got a white one. Are we going the right way?
I don't know. Yeah, Uncle Junior's in front of this white car.
Oh, that thing going.
Mine's the edge of the pool.
Come on. What they do? Water cardio.
I don't know.
Oh, Hazy. T, come away from me.
Come away from the edge of the pool.
T, you're going to do the stanky leg. Wow.
For sure.
Looks like you just left to it. Shut down. Alright, for initial impressions of Mayhem, I think it looks quite good. Not like great.
Oh, there's a juicy.
My
Winnet tree.
initial impressions is that I quite like it.
Oh, we're stopping at juicy, I'm guessing.
Well, I guess this.
Briefly. There's another one.
Where?
Oh, there's a white one.
Why was that? It doesn't look bad around here, does it? Is it an old train? Yeah, it is.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
River. Get some rocks out of that to build a house, eh?
Go. Very nice.
Here, we got to get this on camera.
Turn around.
because we love
Theodore.
Over there.
Let's have a look. How's it taste?
Theo, what are you eating?
I stole it.
Hazy, you alright?
Yeah, she just didn't want any. Oh, wow. Gosh, that's so yummy. Have you had some?
No. Oh, I know what it tastes like. I've eaten it loads of times.
No, I haven't. Oh, I like it. It's delicious.
What's he getting, a vest?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
man,
better, the
muscles.
best.
Oh, Theodore.
I'll wear vest. What's two then?
I have no idea.
Look how nice just the greenery and everything. Look how
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yeah. Say hello to Uncle Sean.